Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a group chat on Messenger, so let's get right into it. To create one, what you need to do is go into the chat window, as you can see here, and tap on the pencil in the top right. Once you're here, you'll be able to create a group chat. As you can see, you can send a new message to whoever you want, or you can create a group chat, and then you'll need to select a name, which is optional, but you can create a name for the group chat, but you will need to select the people you want to add. Once you select the people, like so, you'll have the option to click create in the top right, and once you do that, the group will be created, and it'll look something like this, except this is a group with just me in it. But as you can see, it is blank, and I'm the admin, but I did add 2 friends to create a group, and the minimum amount of people in a group is 3 for it to be created. If you want to have a group alone, you just remove the other people that you added, and that should be pretty much it. Now, as you can see, this is what it looks like. I did a couple of polls, I sent a test message, and that's pretty much it. What you can also do to create a group, go into a private chat with one of your friends, click on their name or on the eye in the top right, and if you've had messages between you, you will be able to click create a group with this person. If I go to myself, as you can see, if I click for some reason it's gone. It was there literally a couple of minutes ago where I could select my group, or create a group with this user, but sadly it isn't possible anymore. Let me just check for one more time. Let me just send a message that might change things. It didn't for some reason. Otherwise there is, or actually, yeah, as you can see, under more actions, you have create a group chat with the person you're chatting with, and that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.